Listen, beginners. Now is the time to start TouchDesigner. What's up everybody guys, welcome to Myanmar's TouchDesigner tutorial. Derivative launched the TouchDesigner Curriculum, which is super useful for beginners. It has TouchDesigner fundamentals to learn correctly, short tutorial videos, downloadable example files. But I can't recommend you download it before working on it, because creating a system from scratch is the only way to master them. Anyway, now is the time to start TouchDesigner if you are thinking whether you study over or not. And you can show it or you can recommend it to your friends. Okay, Myanmar, I'm gonna get started. I'll be professional TouchDesigner. Let's go! Stop it. You will pass out because there are 8 courses and each course has 5 to more than 10 chapters, so it will be 300 minutes to finish it. So you need to know the way that you learn. This is the most important. Let's say you're trying to climb snow mountain without any knowledge. It's like a climbing, putting on t-shirts, jeans, and slippers. Also, you didn't know the route. That's crazy, and the result will be miserable at the same time. But you know how to accomplish it in advance. You can definitely make it no matter how hard the road is. Right? So I'll show you how to climb the TouchDesigner mountain. These are 3 steps to become advanced level. First, do the one-on-one course on your laptop to understand the editor and its overview of the TouchDesigner. You don't have to understand completely, so let's get done 1 or 2 days. Secondly, watch 1 to 3 videos of course 102 to 108 every day. It's gonna be just 10 minutes. It's not gonna push burden on your life. You can do it every day. You can also watch while in commuting, eating lunch, arguing with your partner as well. You don't need to open your laptop because mostly these are explanations what features the nodes have. Just watching and remember it roughly. Finally, create on your system art interactive with what you got. It could be interactive particle, noise generative art, whatever it comes up in your mind. When I was learning the basic of it, I made this artwork with lip motion that allow us to do hand tracking. TouchDesigner has various ways to use it, like interactive art, VJ, projection mapping, NFT, generative art, entertainment, backend system of the installation, and so on. Moreover, I did a survey on my Instagram what has the most benefit to make the TouchDesigner. It is interactive because TouchDesigner can integrate some sensor easily, like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, LiDAR sensor, Kinect, or something like that. Pursuing your interest is a great way to start it, but you can use it flexibly in various fields as well. If you create anything, you should post on your Instagram, mention it in my account, or please post your idea and comment in this video. I hope you guys enjoy TouchDesigner. Bye.